Today we're going to be using the High Mountain Seasonings Inferno blend to try to make some snack sticks here. Boss man's out of town this week, so we're going to try some experiments. If you're watching this, thanks Tommy. What we've got here is ground beef and ground pork, about a 80% beef mix, 20% pork mix. We're going to be making about 6 pounds of snack sticks today. So we've got this kit that I've been seeing here for a while, and I thought I'd give it a shot. We'll see what's in it. Curing salt, seasoning, collagen casings, and instructions. We don't need those. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this meat and put it in the freezer, let it get almost frozen before I run it through the grinder. It'll make the fat stay more intact and not smear all around. This has already been ground once, but I'm going to grind it at least once more, maybe twice. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, so we've got our meat in the grinder. If you don't have a big grinder like this at home, you can use the little grinders. I don't have one of those, but I have access to this, so we're going to do it like this. There's about 6 pounds of meat in here. Finely ground meat, ready for the stuffer. Well, ready for seasoning, then the stuffer. All right, so we got everything in the stuffer. Now we're gonna put our casings on here. These are collagen casings. You don't have to pre-soak these here. Slide it up on there. Twist the end a little bit. And commence to stuffing. A little hard to push through the stuffer. Probably could have added a little bit more water. rip the casing, tighten up the end here, and we'll just twist it off. All right, so we've got our snack sticks all stuffed on the tray. Now we're gonna put them in the cooler for 24 hours to let the curing salt do its job, and then we're gonna put them in the smoker. All right, so we've let our snack sticks chill overnight, let the curing salt do its work. Now I've got them on the racks, and we're getting ready to put them in the smoker. Got our snack sticks in the smoker. It's going to go up to 200 degrees, and we're going to give it 2 hours. All right, we're ready to vacuum pack them. So here's our finished product, 6 pounds of Inferno blend snack sticks using high mountain seasonings. I thought they'd be a little skinnier like a Slim Jim. They're about the diameter of a hot dog, but it's really not a big deal. They taste delicious, and that's all that really matters. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more stuff like this.